Good afternoon, children. Welcome back to English subject. Today we are going to see a new lesson and our last lesson. Okay. Today we will study about Unit 10. Who's blessed? Okay. With this, all the lessons are completed. Only one poem is there, that is trees. In the next video, we'll finish this. Okay. Okay. Let us move on to the lesson. Who's blessed? So before starting this, I would like to tell you a short story. Okay, just listen carefully. See, once upon a time, all the trees in the forest started fighting among themselves. See, there were many trees in the forest and they all start fighting. Why? Let's see. The coconut tree said, I am more important. I give coconuts. You can drink it, eat it, make oil and even a rope from it. Children, have you drink tender coconut water? How sweet it is, no? So, the coconut tree is telling, I am only important because I am giving coconut. So, what are the uses of coconut, children? We use coconut for chutneys and for curries, and we drink that tender coconut water also, and we eat it. Coconut is used to make hair oil. We apply this oil for our hair. Yes or no? Yes. So, for this reason, coconut tree is telling, I am only important. Immediately, the another tree is start shouting. That is mango tree. The mango tree said, I am more important. I give delicious mangoes to eat and I also give shade. See children, everybody likes mangoes. Yes or no? Yes. So, the mango tree is telling, no, I am only very important because I am giving mangoes. Everybody like my fruits and also I give shade. Then immediately another tree start fighting, that is neem tree. No. The neem tree said, I am more important. I give shade. People make medicines with my leaves, flowers and seeds. I drive mosquitoes away. See children, neem tree is telling that I am more important because I give shade to the people who sit and take rest under my tree. And with the help of my leaves, medicines will prepare. And also, I drive mosquitoes away. Yes or no? Yes. See, in the village at evening, they will take these leaves. They will take neem leaves and put fire and make this smoke. So, for this smoke, mosquitoes will not come. Next, immediately, one more tree starts shouting. That is Gulmohar tree. The Gulmohar said, I am no less. I give shade and beauty. My flowers are a beautiful orange color. See children, the Gulmohar tree is telling, I am no less. I give shade and beauty. My flowers are a beautiful orange color. Yes or no? Yes. How beautiful it is, the orange color. So, no one tree could give a satisfactory answer. So, they all went to the banyan tree. You are the oldest and wisest of us all. Tell us who is the most important. See children, they all went to the banyan tree to ask who is the most important. The banyan tree said, all of you try to do everything. The banyan tree is telling that all of you try to give beautiful flowers, fruits, shade and medicine oil. So all the trees went back and tried for this very hard. But they could not do everything. The coconut tree could not give orange flowers or shade. The neem could not give mangoes. The Gulmohar could not give coconuts or mangoes. So they all went to the banyan tree again and said, we cannot do everything. So the banyan tree said, yes, you are all different. You do different things. So you are all important. See children, God is created that we all have unique blessings. So, we should not compare with others. Everybody is unique and everybody has the own thing. Everybody has the own talent, okay? We are all best with our own things, okay? This is all about this story, children. Shall we move on to the lesson? Okay. Unit 10. Who's blessed? Once upon a time, it was very cold in the high mountains. In the north, all the birds flew away to warm places. They would come back in spring. But there was a little bird with a broken wing. She could not fly. She looked around for a place to keep her warm. Then she saw the trees in the forest. She thought, maybe the trees will keep me warm through the winter. So she went to the forest hopping with her broken wing. The first tree she came across was a slim birch tree. See children, in this story we have a little bird with a broken wing. Now during cold season, all the birds fly and they go to a warm place. And when the cold season is over, they come back to their places. Now here is a little bird with a broken wing and she could not fly. So she looked around some places in the forest to keep herself warm. Then she thought maybe the trees in the forest will keep her warm during winter. During winter season, we also feel very cold. Yes or no? Yes. We wear sweaters and mufflers. Then during night we use blankets to keep ourselves warm, no? In the same way, the little bird thought there are many trees in the forest. Then they will surely help her to keep her warm during winter. So with the broken wings, she went hopping. Hopping means walking or jumping with one leg. With one leg, you all will jump, no? You are playing in the outside, you will play, no? Hop, hop. One leg with hop, no? Like that, she went to the forest hopping with her broken wing. So the first tree she came across was a slim birch tree. Oh beautiful birch tree, she said, will you let me stay in your branches till spring comes? See children, the little bird is asking to the slim birch tree. Slim means a thin birch tree. She said to the birch tree, she wants to stay in the branches of the tree till the winter season is over. Then birch tree replied, oh no, said the birch tree. I have to take care of my leaves through the winter. Go away. See here, the birch tree is telling, birch tree means it is a tree. The leaves of this tree contains vitamin C and also it is used to make medicines. So this tree is telling, oh no, because this tree wanted to save that leaves. So she is telling, no, I could not, I cannot. So the little bird hopped with the broken wings and went to the next tree. Which is that the next tree? It was the big oak. See children, this is the oak tree, big oak tree. Oh big oak tree, said the little bird, will you let me stay in your warm branches till spring comes? See children, the little bird is asking to the oak tree that, will you please let me in the branches to keep herself warm till the spring comes? So what the oak tree is telling, oh no, sorry, said the oak tree, if you stay in my branches, all winter you will be eating all my nuts. Go away. See children, this oak tree, no, it is very big and it is used for timber work, like for construction, and also they used for furniture. For example, see a sofa, flooring, what are the houses ways? No, they will make it from the oak tree. So the oak tree says that, no, I am very sorry, and if you stay in my branches, you will eat all my nuts. So please, you go away. So the little bird hopped with the broken wings and went to the willow tree. See children, this is the willow tree. So it came to the willow tree and asking, "Oh lovely willow tree," said the bird, "will you let me stay in your branches all winter?" So the little bird hopped with the broken wings and went to the willow tree. So it came to the willow tree and asking, "Oh lovely willow tree," said the little bird, "will you let me stay in your branches all winter?" See children, this is willow tree. By using this willow tree, people making baskets, fishing nets, and also they make furniture and toys. So the willow tree also very useful. But this tree is telling, "No, sorry," said the willow. Said the willow tree, "I don't speak to stranger. Go away." See, this willow tree is telling, I don't talk to the strangers. To whom we will call strangers, children? Strangers means, see, those who don't want to speak. Those who don't want to speak with others. If you don't know that person, will you speak? No. So, they are called as strangers. Okay. So, this willow tree is telling that go away, and I don't speak to strangers, and I don't want to make friendship with anyone. So, go away. So the poor little bird was very sad and did not know what to do and where to go with the broken wing, because she was not able to fly and she was alone. At that time, a spruce tree saw her and said, "Where are you going, little bird?" "I do not know," said the little bird. "My wing is broken and I cannot fly, and the trees in the forest will not let me live in their branches." "Oh, but you may live in my branches," said the spruce tree. "But may I stay all winter?" "Yes," said the spruce tree. I shall love to have you." Just next to the spruce tree stood a tall and strong pine tree. The pine tree said to the spruce tree, "I am big and strong. I will keep the wind off your branches, and in turn your branches can give warmth to the little bird." Along with the spruce tree and the pine tree stood a juniper tree with lovely tasty berries all over her branches. The juniper tree offered food to the little bird. He said to the little bird, "You can have my berries for dinner all winter. My berries are very good for birds." So the little bird felt very nice, warm and comfortable in the branches of the tree. See children, this is a spruce tree. With the help of this tree, many musical instruments will make. For example, guitar, violin, piano, all these from the spruce tree only they are making. So this tree is very beautiful and very strong also. It has straight trunk. So this spruce tree saw her and asked to little bird, "Where are you going, little bird?" She said, "I do not know, and I cannot fly, and all the trees in the forest, they are not allowing to me in their branches." But the spruce tree tells that, "You can come and stay in my branches. I shall love to have you." Then the bird was very happy. Then beside the spruce tree was a pine tree. See children, this is the pine tree. This pine tree wood is really high value, means it is very costly. It is used for all the carpentry items, for example furniture, window frame and roofing, etc. So the pine tree tells, during the cold season the wind will be blowing. No, I will block the cold wind and I will not allow it to touch the spruce tree. because the bird is staying into the spruce tree. Along with the spruce tree and the pine tree, there was a juniper tree. See children, this is the juniper tree. It says that I have very tasty berries in me, so you can have the fruits from my tree. So the little bird said that you all are very kind to me and I will be very grateful to you. So the little bird felt very happy and it stays warm and comfortable in the branches of the tree. Next, at night, the north wind and his father came to the forest to play. The north wind puffed at the leaves and the leaves fell down on the ground in the forest. He loved to see the trees without their leaves. He asked his father, "Dear father, may I touch and blow out every leaf in the forest?" "No, my dear son," said the father. The trees which were kind and gave shelter to the little bird in this cold winter may keep their leaves. At that time, the birch, the oak, and the willow trees were ashamed. They realized their mistake and were sorry. And the spruce, the pine, and the juniper kept their leaves all the year round and became evergreen trees. See children, during the night what happened? The north wind and his father, they came out to play in the forest. The north wind, what it did? It blew the leaves of the trees. All the leaves of the trees fell down to the ground in the forest. See children, a tree without leaves, how it looks? It looks very ugly, no? So, the wind is blew the leaves of the trees in the forest. He loved to see the trees without their leaves. Then he asks his father, "Shall I blow out the leaves of all the trees?" Then father tells, "No, my dear son. The spruce tree, the pine tree, and the juniper tree, they helped little bird. They are very kind to the little bird, so you don't blow off their leaves. But there are other trees like birch, oak, and willow. They are very selfish. So you can blow the leaves of such trees." After this incident, they were very ashamed. They realized their mistake and they felt very sorry. Now, this spruce tree, the pine tree, and the juniper tree, they all kept their leaves throughout the year. They became evergreen trees. The leaves of these trees never blow off. So these trees became evergreen trees. This is all about this lesson, children. I hope you understood this lesson. Thank you, children.